things can be idols. For example, money can be an idol. Right? That's why kung ikaw may problema at ang unang mong solusyon is mangutang, guess what? Money is your idol. Kung ikaw may feeling na, kung maganda lang ako, mamahalin ako ng lahat ng batang tao. Kung pumayat lang ako, wala na akong problema. Guys, then maybe your image is your idol. Kung hindi ka, kung atat ka kasi parang feeling mo hindi ka gusto ng ibang mga tao. You want to please people so much. Guess what? It's not just things that can be idols, di ba? People can be idols. Mapapansin nyo, pag may tao na pag na-disappointed ka sa kanya, sirang-sira ka, guess what? That person was an idol for you. Guys, government leaders, can they be idols?
Yes.
Yes. Some people, they will look at their government leader as their hope. Sa kanya ako mag-aasa. So pag nasira yung kanilang, yung image nila ng tao na yun, wow, ang sakit ng puso nila. Tapos parang nawalan sila ng pag-asa. Guess what? That was an idol. Church leaders, pwede bang maging idol?
Yes.
Yes. And you know po, kung tumagal kayo in the church, mapapansin nyo that church leaders, mga pastors, mga elders sa church, they are people. And if tumingin kayo sa amin, guess what? You will be disappointed. But again, guys, the problem with idols is na they offer a false source of strength and security. Ibig sabihin, okay, some of you may feel, pagdating ko sa church, magiging okay na rin ako. I will feel so secure. Pag nandyan si ganun, okay ang lahat. But in the end, it's not a good source of strength and security. Pansin nyo, I want you to see, hindi ko lang po nililipod yun eh. Can you see Isaiah? Yung susunod. Ito yung sabi ng Panginoon. The Lord said, those people who make idols are nothing themselves. And the idols they treasure are just as worthless. Walang pakinabang. No? Worshippers of idols are blind, stupid, and foolish. Ang tanong ng Panginoon, why make an idol or an image that cannot do a single thing? Your idol cannot save you. Kahit dumating yung panahon na, wow, ang dami mo ng pera, guess what? Your money can go away. That's why God hates idols. Kasi alam niya, siya lang ang tunay na source ng ating strength. Na ang Panginoon lang yung only source of our hope. Now, pansin niyo this year, actually this week lang, di ba? This month, sobrang daming bagay yung nangyari sa Pilipinas. And pansin nyo, lots of people are feeling discouraged, di ba? Parang, di na ba talaga tayo aahon sa paghihirap? Parang it's getting worse, di ba? I'm not going to say that it's not worse. That when you live outside of the Philippines, you can look at the Philippines as medyo iba na yung paningin natin, di ba?
Yes.
Lalo na when you come to Hong Kong, and imagine nyo nung typhoon, nasira yung basketball court namin sa site. 2 days.
Nakatayo na.
Ayos na. Sa Pilipinas, 10 taon akong nawala hanggang ngayon sira pa rin yung net na yun. Hindi pa rin nila inayos.
Wala
Yung
pang
lubak
budget
nandiyan pa rin. Bakit? You
Wala
know
pa
what I mean?
budget.
But guys, I wanna tell you something, no? The reason you are discouraged, the reason na you feel hopeless, is not because inabandon na tayo ng Panginoon. It's not because iniwan tayo ng Panginoon. It's because you put your trust and your hope in the wrong thing. Merong idol doon.